welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install frontal. This installation is a sewing actually. So first I'm going to start by putting the frontal on our head, and I'm going to tack it to our head, and after that I'm going to get my glue and apply to our hairline. When applying my glue, I like to use a very thin layer on our light soak layout. Then this particular video I'm going to be using 3 layers, so I'm going to apply a thin layer and let it clear, and then do the same till I apply the 3 layers. Then when I'm done, I'm going to put the frontal down to the glue, as you can see I'm doing on the video, and after that I'm going to tie it down with my band. So once I'm done tying it down, I'm going to section the hair little by little and pick the hair. After picking or plucking the hair, I'm going to come back and do our widow's peak, because in this video I'm going to be doing widow's peak. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to come back and show you how I achieve my widow's peak. So guys, right here I'm just cutting a little from my hair, as you can see on this video right now, and after that I'm going to pluck it out. Once I'm done, I'm going to go down a little and do the same thing. The beautifier. So now guys, we are done. Alright, here I'm going to get my scissors and just cut the lace out, as you can see I'm doing right now. So when trimming my lace, I like to cut like a zigzag kind of cutting, as you can see right here. So I'm going to cut this out, and when I'm done I'm going to get my glue and my needle and just apply to the part that didn't there was no glue to the hair, I'm going to apply a little and just use my hand to press it down, and when I'm done I'm going to tie it down for some minutes. So guys, I'm done tying it down. Alright, here I'm sewing the hair to her head. So I didn't do a very detailed video on how to sew or how to do a sewing, but I hope this helps a little. So this I sew my frontal actually, so I just decided to show you guys how I do my sewing, but it's not very detailed, but I guess it can help in any way. I hope it helps. Alright, see you later. So guys, we are done. Alright, now I'm going to hot comb the hair. So when doing my hot combing, I like to section the hair little by little and just hot comb. This helps you to get the work done perfectly. So now guys, we are done hot combing. My client said she needed baby hair, so I'm going to use go ahead and do the edges for her. So in doing baby hair, I like to use my styling muse to do my styling, or for my styling rather. So I'm going to do this, and when I'm done I'm going to come back and show you how I did my weaving. So guys, this is how I section the hair, as you can see I'm doing on the video. So once I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm going to go ahead and weave. As you can see, I'm doing on the video. I'm using this styling muse to make the work more smooth for me. This particular styling muse is freeze free, so uh, I'm going to weave the hair, and I'm going to do the same to the other part. Once I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you how I do the next part. So now guys, we are done, and I secure the hair down my band. Already I'm using my butterfly spray, and I'm going to cool, and when I'm done I'm going to twist as you can see I'm doing, and then secure it down with my needle. And once I'm done, I'm going to turn this leaf hair I brought out at the front, and we are done. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video with your friends. And if there's anything you want to see on this channel, just leave it on the comment section. Promise to get back to it. See you on my next video. Bye.